Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl frizzeecurlz and I am back again with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this wig today. So if this is a video you would like to see, make sure that you just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and follow me on all my socials, and I will see you in a few. Okay, so I already have my bald cap on. This ain't the best bald cap I've done, but it's gonna do for what it needs to do. So I'm going to be trying on this wig today. This is the Sensationnel Butta Lace wig. It's the Butta Unit 5 in the color 1. It's an ear-to-ear lace wig with a wide 5-inch deep hand-tied parting area. This is a T-part wig that already comes pre-plucked with baby hairs, and their lace is an HD lace, which is virtually undetectable. Like always, I will leave any details you'll need down below in the description box, but I'm about to go ahead and get started with this wig because I'm excited. I already tried it on, and I think it's gonna be bomb when I finish it. So let's get into it. Like I already mentioned, the lace comes from ear to ear, so I'm excited for this one because my last wig that I tried on was only like a 4x4, and it is only a middle part, and that is just fine because I'm starting to embrace the middle parts. I'm starting to embrace my forehead. So yeah, I'm not gonna cut the lace before I put her on, so I'm gonna go ahead and put her on now. Now it does have the little elastic thingy and combs, but I probably won't need those since I did the bald cap method. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm supposed to do these bald cap methods with these types of wigs, but we're gonna finesse it like I always do. And I wanna make sure my part is in the middle as it possibly can be. It looks like it's in the middle. But yeah, I think she's gonna be real cute. I'm not sure if I'm gonna layer her or shape her up a little bit more or just wear her like this, but we'll figure it out once the glam is all done. So this is what it looks like on. It's virtually what? Undetectable. What lace, okay? And it already comes with pre-plucked baby hairs, so I'm gonna keep these baby hairs. I'm probably gonna just trim them down a little bit, but I want to do the extra baby hair look today since it comes with baby hairs and I don't have to cut my own. Anyway, let's go ahead and brush all of this back so we can lay the wig down, cut the lace, do these baby hairs, and go, because I got somewhere to be. Like I said, I'm still working out the kinks with the whole bald cap thing. I probably only need to stop it about right here and just let the rest do what it do. So for future references, I will know what to do, but for now it's okay because this hair is big. You're not really gonna see it anyway. Actually, I don't know, because I'm gonna be kind of mad if this looks really good and then I lift up the sides and it look like this. So I think what I'm about to do is just go ahead and cut my wig cap from here on down, so if anything my actual hairs would be showing versus this. So I'm still learning, y'all. Bear with me. Oh, bear with me. Okay, so I'm glad that I did that because now you can see that this side look like this and this side looks like this. I much rather this than that. So what I think I'm gonna do, I mean, I could show you as I'm doing it, but in my brain right now I'm thinking that I should take my actual lace glue just for the front pieces right here, like this part of the lace right here, and then for the rest I'll just gotta be freeze it and then cut the lace. I think that will work a lot better than what I was gonna do, which was like lace glue all of the front, and I don't know, this right here just isn't giving me that grow. And I think this wig is going to be so bomb and I might wear it for a little minute, so I want it to look as natural as possible. So doing this looks way natural, so be right back. All right, so this is what it's looking like after I cut the sides off, and now I'm just going to pull it up so y'all can see the vision. So that looks a lot better than what it did before. I'm going to take my lace glue from my first wig and just go ahead and start applying it at the base of the wig cap. All right, so it's already getting tacky as I'm applying it, but I'm gonna just dry it down a little bit more so it's clear, and then we're gonna pull the lace up. Okay, if y'all know me, y'all know I'm a little bit impatient. I know it's supposed to be all the way clear, but it's okay. So now I'm just going to pull the lace down as far as I want it to go. So now I'm just take the Gotta Be and spray right around the edge. Before I do that, I'm gonna just cut this little excess piece off because I don't need it. So now I'm just going to cut the lace, and I'm probably just gonna cut right under where it stops because you know I still have the baby hairs and I don't want to cut the lace where the baby hairs are. So I'm just gonna cut just before it starts. Okay, and since my baby hairs are like right here, I didn't want to pull the lace back too far because I'm not trying to rip out my edges. So hopefully that's gonna be covered up with the baby hairs, but yeah. Okay, I have to be somewhere in how many minutes? Oh, y'all, I forgot to color my lace. I was supposed to tint the lace before I put it on. No, no. No. Bad. All right, y'all, I gotta be somewhere in like 45 minutes, so I'm gonna come back and finish this up when I come back. Okay, I'm back, and I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, it's been a couple days, but we still here. So as y'all saw before, I had to go run my errands. I started to cut some layers, not really layers, I just cut a little bit of a shape into the hair just to give it a little bit more I don't know, just to make it a little bit more uniform and shape to my face. So I think I did a pretty good job. It's looking really, really cute. I really love this wig. Like, at this point, it's my hair. Can't nobody tell me this is not my hair. This cute though. I like this. I like this a lot. This is cute. I like her. I done cut her some layers. So in the 2 days that I actually was not filming because I just had stuff to do, I was doing TikToks and makeup looks and all this other stuff. So y'all might have seen this look already on Instagram if y'all follow me. I kind of just changed the eye makeup a little bit. But anyway, yeah, so as I was out doing my do, you know, I was still getting compliments on my hair, and I was just like, I didn't even know if it was gonna turn out cute, and it did. People love it. I love it. So I hope y'all love it too. I like the shape of it. I don't know, like it wasn't giving like, okay, you know, that's real cute. People was loving it when they saw me out, but I was just like, I don't know, it's something about it. So I just went ahead and cut some more length off to kind of round it out a little bit, and it's really, it's giving me the vibes now. Like I might just wear this for the rest of my life. What I did that.
Come holler at me. It's y'all.
This is my second wig install, and I am so proud of myself. I really like how it came out today. If you guys like this wig today, I will leave all of the details down below in the description box, so make sure you guys are checking that out. If you do have any other questions that I may not have answered in this video or in the description box, go ahead and leave them below in the comments, and I'll be sure to answer them. Y'all know I talk to y'all, so talk to me too. You ain't even gotta ask me no question, just say hey. But anyway, guys, I really like this hair. I love how it came out. I'm really feeling it. I'm feeling it more now than I did yesterday. And, you know, I was cute yesterday too, but I'm really giving bad bitch right now. And I'm feeling myself. But that's all I have for y'all today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.